when I was down cleaning the boat just before we went into the marina at the dockyard, I was cleaning the propeller and moving the blades, and I found this. I don't know if you can see it, but if you look at this one, you can see that slight movement, that slight play. When we hauled out last, we had to heat up the prop to get out the set screw because it was seized in there, and I think the bearing closest to that got damaged, and so the bearing is starting to fail, and that is no good. I have the kit. What my plan is to rebuild it and re-grease it, and then dive the boat and put it back on again. Number 1, remove grease channel screws. Okay, step number 2, fit the peg spanner into the retaining cap. Ah, there it goes. Okay, some grease. I have to clean this out. There's the next one to get off. Okay, next step, this is definitely a specialty tool to release it by going normal, so counterclockwise. Okay, now the blade is supposed to apparently pop right off, so let's see how this goes. It's definitely loose. Damn, that came off easy. Oh, look at those bearings. There's barely any left. I wonder if that's how it's supposed to be. I can't imagine that. Okay, this is how it's supposed to look. So all the bearings are in there. They're still in the race. So that other one was just really bad. Good thing I found it before the blade flew off. But that's how you get it apart anyway, so I just got to do that ×3, and then hopefully I'll be able to pop those new bearings in, get it back together, and we will be in business. Just like that. Okay, this side has the seat, so I'm assuming that's the part that goes down. And we're to put Loctite on this, tighten it up until there's no rocking at all on the blade, and then we use our torque wrench, tighten it to 20 Newton meters. Our torque winch is in foot-pounds, so we'll have to figure out the conversion. All right, now we repeat that ×2 for the other blades. And we should be in good shape. Feels nice and smooth. No movement. All right. Well, my plan today is to finish putting the prop on. Really the last thing I need to do is grease it up. So I've got the grease zerk gun, got the fittings out, and then it's just a matter of squeezing the grease in here until it comes out of there. And then we'll be ready to dive the boat and see if we can get the older backup prop off and the new prop back on.